some light snow starting to fall out there with more on the way.
More will slowly build up to the afternoon. Very small flakes, Jess. It's not intense snowfall. This is not the kind of thing that you're going to see a big pileup of several inches. This is at most an inch in some spots through the course of the afternoon. We had some sunshine actually to start the day. If you look closely there along the southeastern horizon, but we began to quickly lose that sun as clouds came in, and we began to see thickening clouds, and eventually after about 11 we began to see some snowflakes here in Rochester. Same situation in Austin as we look outside with our Lewiston auto camera. Light snow falling. You're looking at the possibility of maybe ½ to an inch in Austin. The gray skies there. Light snow has been working its way across the map of the northern periphery of this main band. Now in Rochester, spreading eastward toward Viola and over toward Winona. Very light snow across North Iowa. That's where most of the accumulation will go on. We're up to an inch can be reported most likely between today and this evening. Southern Minnesota, a couple of spots may get close to an inch. Snow continues in Rochester, Preston, Albert Lee, right now Mason City reporting some light snow. And looking at the result here, some snow beginning to accumulate very slowly on the highway as we look outside to the south with our Lewiston auto camera. And the weather patio, it's 2 below zero. It feels like 10 below. The wind's at least very light right now. Temperatures across the map mainly sub-zero or close to zero. Winona right now 0, one of the warm spots on the map. Rochester 4 below. It's 3 below in Mason City, and Dodge Center now 6 below zero. Here in the Med City officially it feels like 19. The winds northeast at 8 miles per hour, 4 degrees below zero the current temperature. Light snow continues this afternoon until about 8, maybe 9 o'clock this evening. They go to break. We'll actually have some sun to start the day tomorrow. In fact, most of Friday looks dry. It looks like we will wait until well after sunset. See that next round of snow. It'll be mainly an overnight event and a very early on Saturday with some very cold sunshine throughout the Valentine's Day weekend. Looking at some snow building across the map. High-res future track. That snow works its way eastward. Around 8 or 9 o'clock, it moves out of the area, and then we'll see some clearing for the overnight hours. But the big story all week long is that Arctic high pressure has been planted nearby. Little disturbances have brought us the snowflakes and clouds from time to time, but by and large, a dry, cold, quiet pattern. The main storm track has been south of us, and that's where the larger systems have been going. In the southern plains, southeast part of the country, even the nor'easters that have been impacting the east coast, and that will remain the pattern for at least another week or two. Nothing major headed our way except for things like these little disturbances that bring us a light coating of fluffy snow today. Look for highs around 0. Temperatures dropping below 0 this evening, bottoming out around 12 degrees below 0 later tonight. Once again, with highs tomorrow only sub-0. Here's future track. Watching that first wave of snow to impact the area. That's today. It goes on to the afternoon and evening hours. Tonight, some gradual clearing after midnight. A cold night with double-digit low temperatures. Once again, similar to what we had this morning. And then tomorrow, sun and then clouds come in for the afternoon. By evening, here comes that snow as it builds north and eastward. We'll have that for the evening hours and overnight, ending very early Saturday with some cold sunshine then in store during the day, and high temperatures sub-0 Saturday and even colder Sunday. If you remember last Sunday, we had 20 below 0 in the morning, 5 below 0 in the afternoon for high temperature. We're going to do that again on Valentine's Day Sunday. Snowfall amounts across the map today, generally less than an inch or up to an inch in southern Minnesota, maybe a little more in North Iowa. And looking ahead at tomorrow night's event, similar situation, less than an inch of accumulation across the map heading into very early Saturday. So cumulatively, we're looking at maybe an inch or so between the two events in the next 48 hours. And we see those snow chances in the early part of the weekend. Another chance of very light snow next Wednesday. Nothing to write home about, I think, at this point with that system and this rather dry, cold pattern. 0 today, north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, as much as an inch of afternoon and early evening accumulation. Snow, then partly cloudy tonight, a low of 12 below 0, wind chill around 25 below, and a high of 2 below 0 tomorrow. Sun and then some evening light snow, but less than an overnight inch of accumulation. 7-day forecast, a frigid weekend. Valentine's Day looking particularly cold, and the next week as we get close to Mardi Gras. Tuesday, there we start seeing a slight warm up and some teens by Wednesday and Thursday, Jess.
I guess it's appropriate for us to start thinking some warmer thoughts with that in sight.
I'm kind of excited about that.
Yeah, thank you.